We need to talk about this whole micro purse trend. Hi, it's Jen. Welcome to this channel. If you've been in the handbag scene for any amount of time, you may have noticed pretty much every brand and designer has their own version of the micro bag. We have the mini pochette by Louis Vuitton. I also have an IKEA version. Yes, an IKEA version. This is the IKEA no leg. This is supposed to be more of a keychain, but if you noticed, it's actually a very, very micro bag. This is the smallest of the ones I have. And I was sparked to talk about this topic because I saw some holiday ads. Coach put out a couple very micro bags. One of them was the Rogue 12. This thing is freaking tiny. Like, it looks like an accessory for an American doll. It does not look like an everyday handbag at all, and it's also $195. I saw that bag and I was like, that is pretty ridiculous. It's also super cute, but also kind of ridiculous. And I will say I am not immune to the micro purse trend myself. As you can see, I have fallen prey to it. This was one I bought about a month ago around the holidays. This is a Kate Spade novelty candy bag. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. One thing I've noticed about shopping online, sometimes I feel like the bags can look bigger than they actually are. I saw this model was wearing it crossbody and I thought, that's not so bad. It's about like the length of my hand, not realizing that the length of my hand is actually not that big. So this is the bag. In reality, I feel like this is more of like a small leather good than an actual bag. Now it does have D-rings on either side and it does, let me get this out, it does have a removable strap. Believe it or not, I paid $168 for this tiny purse. I have a little bit of buyer's remorse over it, I'm not gonna lie. It is really cute. Have I carried it? No. And that's the thing I really want to get into with this whole micro bag trend is how practical are these bags? Yes, they look great in Instagram photos and they're very cute, but how often can you really use these? I do like that there's a few different ways you could wear this. You could wear it as like a clutch. You could also honestly just use it as a little small leather good in a larger bag. This really doesn't fit that much inside. So I'm gonna show you how much this actually fits. And I also have the dress up your purse version of the mini pochette, and this is actually the largest of all of these items. Let's see how long it is. It's about, all right, this is less than 5 inches long. This is more like 4 inches you have to work with. And the diameter is probably about 2.5 inches. So seriously, about 4 inches by 2.5 inches. This is a business card. You could technically fit this inside. Definitely cannot fit a phone. This is the iPhone 13 Pro next to the Kate Spade bag. The iPhone is definitely longer, so that certainly can't fit. Actually, this can't fit in any of these bags. Most people have a smartphone now, and really none of these micro bags can fit the smartphone. So I know I've heard people be like, well, you could just carry your phone in your hand all day. I'm like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The other thing I've heard people say is, well, you could just put your phone in your pocket. The phone is a little bit bulky, and when I put it in my pocket, it tends to weigh my pants down. So that's not really super positive for me. I don't tend to put my phone in my pocket for longer periods of time, maybe for like a couple seconds, but not for hours at a time. For me, that's not really a practical solution. Definitely cannot fit into the mini pochette. And this IKEA bag, like this could fit a business card, but not much else. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram and stuff wear these types of micro bags as a crossbody, so let's give that a whirl. I do like that designers are now giving you the option of wearing it crossbody and having the straps be detachable. I think that's very cool. You could do this as like a shoulder bag, so we got this going on. All right, crossbody, excuse the sweatpants, and it would look awesome in Instagram photos, but in real life, I just don't think this is going to be a good everyday carry type of bag. I did an unboxing in one of my previous videos about the Minkoff Morning After Bag 2.0 satchel. That is a much more substantial bag and it carries everything I need. What can this bag actually fit? Probably a couple credit cards, a little bit of cash, maybe like a lipstick or a lip balm, maybe keys. I think keys would probably work. So yes, it would fit some things, but that's not all I carry on a daily basis. I don't know how well that would work. The mini pochette, I do really like that this is a little bit wider of a bag, so I could probably fit a little bit more, and it's Like, let's be real, this like round shape, the candy shape, it's a bit of an awkward shape for a bag. This rectangular bag with a little bit of a gusset in it is a little more realistic, I think. I'm actually really loving the dress up your purse version of the mini pochette because it is a little bit larger than the Louis Vuitton mini pochette and it's a bit deeper. So I can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. Let me show you here. I've got Apple AirPods, a lip gloss, a hand cream, some Laneige lip sleeping mask, one of my faves, hair ties, some cold medicine just in case, and I could certainly fit in some credit cards and some cash in these pockets. There is a zipper pocket on one side and there is a slip pocket on the other side. Now that is something that the Louis Vuitton mini pochette does not have. I've mentioned this previously, but the mini pochette is pretty much unlined, so this has less functionality, I feel, than the Dress Up Your Purse version. I did purchase an additional strap from Dress Up Your Purse, and I've seen quite a few people attach it to their mini pochette, so I'm gonna give that a go. So what they'll do is they will attach it to the mini pochette and then wear this as a like micro purse, which I think is a cute idea. So let me try to put on the mini pochette as a micro bag here. Okay. I believe I purchased the 39-inch chain from Dress Up Your Purse. I probably could have gone a couple inches longer because this is hitting me pretty much at the waist. I'm about 5'4" for reference. I do think this looks really cute, but again, you really can't fit much inside. I could probably fit like some of these items in, but not all of them because the Dress Up Your Purse mini pochette is just a little bit bigger. So here's how this bag looks. Crossbody, you could also, I guess, use this as a shoulder bag or like just a little like tiny hand carry thing. So there are a few different ways to wear the mini pochette, and I do like the versatility of this product. It is so small. Overall, you really can't get a lot in this bag. So that's really my biggest issue with the whole micro purse trend. I think a lot of the bags coming out are very cute and I think they're super appealing, but the everyday reality of these bags, not so much. So I want to know what you think. Let me know down below in the comments. Do you own any micro purses? Do you like this trend? Do you hate this trend? And do you think this trend is going to continue into 2023 or will it be replaced by some other type of purse trend? And if so, what will that be? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos about handbags, fashion, beauty, whatever here. I'm Jen and I'll see you again in the next video.